Maglatif, and today I will be reporting about Chapter 10, which is the forms design and control. The forms used within an organization often have multiple uses and destinations. They must be well designed and be effective for their intended purpose. An effectively designed form does not just happen. Rather, its design is a result of diligent, purpose effort. The efficient and economic operation of an office is based on the form's designing. Likewise, the form should be in such a way that it can be easily filled up and processed. For that, the office forms should be designed properly. Hence, it is the duty and responsibility of Forms Control Officer or Form Control Department to design the form properly and spend much of his or their time in form designing. Office form. A form is printed or cyclostyled piece of paper containing some information with blank spaces left for the entry of required information briefly by the person using it. According to J.C. Denier, it is a printed piece of paper or card on which entries are usually made against marked headings. Office form may be defined as a vehicle by which the required information is collected briefly for the effective and economical function of an office. Forms designing. A form designing means deciding the contents and layout of forms for the purpose of collecting and processing the required information economically and efficiently. And these are the importance of form designing. First, we have these are used to collect records and communicate the required information according to the expectation of a needy person. Second, it creates psychological impacts on the people who use it. Third, the badly designed forms result in more numbers or mistakes in clerical work. If the design form a poor image in the minds of the customer, sometimes it may adversely affect the goodwill of the company. Fifth, a system is the basis for form design. And sixth, form contribute much to the efficiency of employees of an organization and efficiency of the system, particularly if it is well designed. Last is cost of